This murder happened at 10:30 in the morning, inside a gas station, with a camera pointed straight at the killer's face. So why, after almost 3 decades, has no one been arrested? Lee Rollins was killed in the middle of the day, on camera, and her murder remains unsolved nearly 30 years later. On the morning of March 10, 1997, 41-year-old Lee Rollins was working alone at a gas station in Cozad, Nebraska. At around 10:30 a.m., a man driving a red 1993 Pontiac Sunfire pulled into the station. He filled up his car, then walked inside the store. The man stood out immediately. He was barefoot, wearing no socks or shoes, and his pants were rolled up to his knees. Without hesitation, he pulled out a gun. He ordered Lee to hand over the money, and she complied. Then he ordered her to get on the floor. Once again, Lee obeyed. Moments later, the man leaned over the counter and shot her 3 times, killing her instantly. He then calmly grabbed a soda, a pack of cigarettes, a lighter, and $150 in cash. He walked back to his car and drove away. Despite the murder happening in broad daylight and the killer's face being clearly recorded on camera, nearly 3 decades later, the murder of Lee Rollins remains unsolved. Police believed this would be an easy case, until the footage raised more questions than answers.